Okay, so this is exercise 17 from your book. It's on Seite 230. And what we're doing with this exercise is simply putting the word that they give you into the genitive case. So in the other examples we've done, we've had two words together. This is simply the genitive case alone. So we've got a review over here. Remember, masculine neuter gets an S at the end. Feminine and plural gets an er. Okay, so the Beispiel in your book is der Zug, the train. Okay, so if I want to put that in the genitive case, first of all, I know that genitive, if it's masculine, like Zug, gets an S. So I'm going to change that er into an S. Des Zug. Now, with genitive case, if it's masculine or neuter, it gets an extra S at the end. This one's also one syllable, so it gets an extra ES so that we can make it two syllables. So just remember, if it's masculine and one syllable, you have to add an extra ES. Okay, number one, ein Arzt, a doctor. We need to first of all decide whether this is masculine, feminine, neuter, plural, or whatever. So ein Arzt, this is the masculine form of doctor. So in the back of my mind, I'm thinking masculine. So immediately I know it's got to be an S. So we will put an S here on ein. Eines. Because remember, we want two syllables. Eines. Arzt. And once again, that is one syllable. So we want to add an extra E when we put our S on it. Eines Arztes. Now what this would translate to is of a doctor. Now I know that's kind of hokey and you probably wouldn't just say that by itself in real life. That's okay. This is just an exercise to get you used to doing the grammar. Okay, next one, Nummer 2, meine Freundin. So this one's feminine. So we've actually got less work to do. We're just going to slap an er right here. Meine Freundin. Nothing left to do. So the way that you remember the feminine is easier. Girls are just less complicated than guys, so they only get an er. That's it. Girls are less complicated. Okay, next one, Nummer 3, unser Vater. We've got something else that's masculine. It's going to be a little bit more complicated. So we know we're looking at the letter S. Unseres Vaters. And you may be wondering, why is there not an extra E there? Well, this one was two syllables. If it's got two syllables in it already, you're good to go. You don't have to add an extra thing to it at all. So, unseres Vaters. In the next video, I'll be showing you some more about how to put these all together. This exercise you can find under quizzes. There will be a due date on it. I don't know which date that is at this point, but I will make sure that I list that when I post it. If you have any other questions on it, send me an email or call me, and I'll make another video. Tschüss!